Leaving for work. Bye. Love you. All right. Muxie.
He's like, get off of me.
Most dangerous animal on this planet.
Ow. It's gonna make it.
Gente, me iba a acostar, pero me di cuenta que tenía el diablo.
Is he going to deliver? Oh!
I was recording my cat's reaction to my mum brushing her teeth.
What the heck?
They heard the can open.
The most dangerous animal on this planet.
Hey, what's up? Time until I found out.
I love you.
Oh. Hi, how you doing?
spring break anywhere other than this tiny bed.
Para que haga su chamba con la mariposa.
Ya la vi.
How does one sleep in this position? I just don't get it.
Spoil them and teach them things they can't.
Oh no!
Hello!
Jumped over these double baked potatoes.
Somebody once told me the
There, Pinkle. Up.
Oh no, are you stuck in the... Oh, good job.
Victor, you actually did this?
I got you something.
Phoenix?
I mean, guys, sorry, the cats are doing something stupid again, and that's just...
Oh, what?
It's pistachio ice cream.
Nice long body, perfect form, beautiful teeth.
That is rude. Stop. That is rude. Stop.
I'm a snake. I'm a snake.
Let's find out.
You going on a ride? Oh God, I'm sorry. I did not mean.
Do a flip!
Ba-na.
Billy Run, you like that shit? Yeah, you do.
Excuse me? George! George!
Look at him.
Oh my god!
Continue selling its oil and gas.
Vậy bạn ơi.
Hi, baby. Please don't bite me.
March 3rd, my youngest daughter, Barbara, was
Izzy, are you stuck?